Dear students, today we are going to continue with the topic that we discussed in the previous lesson, that is poultry farming. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the different breeds of chicken based on their utility, their weight, their broodiness. Also, we are going to discuss about the different systems of chicken farming. Let's get started. In the previous lesson, we have already discussed about the classification of different breeds of chicken based on their place of origin. Now let's discuss about different breeds of chicken based on their utility. Laying breeds are well known for their egg laying capacity. They lay about 220 or even more than that per year. And the example is Leghorn. These stable breeds are also known as meat breeds. They are fast growing and they are known to produce good amount of flesh. And the example is Asil, Cochin, etc. Now coming to dual breeds. Now the word dual means both. That means these breeds produce both egg and flesh in more or less good amount. And the common examples of dual breed include Rhode Island Red, New Hampshire, etc. Now classifying different breeds of chicken based on their weight. The first one is light breed. From the word light breed, you can understand that obviously their body weight will be light and their body weight is around 2 to 3 kg. And the example is Leghorn. Next is heavy breed. So heavy breed means their body weight will be slightly heavier. Okay, and their body weight is more than 3 kg. And the examples include Asil, Brahma, etc. Again, different breeds of chicken can be classified according to their broodiness. The first one is non-seater. That means the mothers do not sit on their eggs. And that means the eggs are hatched artificially in terms of artificial incubator machines. And the best examples include Leghorn, Minorca, etc. Next one is sitter. That means the mothers sit on their eggs and the eggs are incubated naturally. And the examples include Brahma, Asil, etc. Next, coming to the different systems by which chicken farming is done. And that can be free range or extensive system, semi-intensive system or intensive system which comprise of the battery cage system or the deep litter system. We are going to discuss about this one by one. Now before we discuss about the different systems of poultry farming, let's discuss first the importance of poultry housing system. Now the first thing that we get from this poultry housing system is that it ensures comfort as well as protection. Not only that, this is easy as well as convenient and reduces the total cost of production. Also, various scientific methods are implemented here, thereby ensuring the better health and welfare. Free range or extensive system is the oldest form of keeping chickens. In this system, hens have accessibility to both indoor and outdoor areas. They move freely and spend more time outside. But the disadvantage is that since they can move freely, they are more prone to disease carriers present in their faces and dampened litter. Also, this litter-based system have been shown to have increased level of ammonia, dust and bacteria. Now coming to semi-intensive system. Now here the free space availability is somewhat limited as compared to the free range system. Here there is easy access for feeding, watering and egg gathering. Also, it ensures good protection, and you know it has got reasonable investment. Only disadvantage is that it does not have high quality litter. Now coming to intensive system. Now in this system, here the free space availability is very much limited. Here the birds are basically confined to a house where there is no accessibility to the land outside. And this intensive system may be of two types. The first one is the battery cage system. Now this battery cage system has got rows and columns of identical cages which are connected together and share common walls between them, similar to the cells of a battery. Now the battery cages are mostly of wire mesh, where the hens have limited accessibility in terms of perching, wings flapping or nesting. However, the advantage here is that they are less prone to infectious diseases that mostly spread through droppings. Fine. Here also the environmental conditions are automatically controlled. That includes light duration as well. Hence, the birds lay eggs all year round. Next, coming to deep litter system. Now, it is a method of chicken waste management which is commonly used all over the world. Here, the droppings and bedding materials are not cleaned, but they are used as composting and are replaced regularly. This system is highly economical as well as hygienic to birds. It also controls various diseases, and also it increases the efficiency of production. Now coming to the nutritional value of chickens. Chickens have got moderate energy content and they are highly digestible proteins. They are a good source of vitamins including thiamine, vitamin B6, pantothenic acid. Also, there is a good source of minerals like iron, zinc, copper. So, one can eat chicken on a daily basis, but if this cooking methods like boiling, grilling, roasting, baking, these methods are followed rather than frying. Now coming to the nutritional value of egg. A single egg contains 13 essential nutrients. It also has got lot of calories and it has got highly protein content. Consuming egg raises good cholesterol, maintains the glucose levels, also makes one fully energized. So this was all about poultry farming. Again, we will be back with a new topic in the next lesson. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for listening.